no trip is complete ever without shopping.
Never. It can never happen. It's crazy.
Can't wait to get out of Canada. Oh my god, there's more guys.
Pooja is gonna wear heels, right? At the wedding functions. So I also need to look taller.
Whenever I'm going on a trip, before that I'm always running around. She actually has a big list. Do you know her list? It's less than 24 hours and I haven't started packing for a 14-hour long flight. And by 14-hour, I'm sure you've guessed it. Yes, we are traveling to India. We had no agenda for India for this year, like at all, because there's so much going on in our lives here in Canada, especially during this time when we are selling a house. But this time we are going for a very special occasion. We are going to be attending a wedding, like literally after 5 years. Whew. But this one is a special one because it's a very close family wedding. It's Saransh's first cousin and we obviously have to be there. So all of this was a last minute plan. Since the time I've moved to Canada, I've not attended a single Indian wedding. Gonna be a lot of fun that you will see in India. But before that, it's chaos at my home here in Canada because I haven't started packing. And you know, no trip is complete ever without shopping. Do you have anything on agenda for today?
I have multiple things to buy. Shoes, belt, sunglasses. And let's see how it goes.
Came to Saransh's favorite store, Abercrombie and Fitch, where he didn't find anything, but I actually found something from the men's section. This looks cool. Like the cap too. I always get jewelry from Dynamite. They're not expensive. They have nice stuff here. And to my favorite store. And I found something here. This looks like a nice set. Let's try this one out as well.
You got me exclusive. I'm so high up and lucid. You take me.
All good.
to a
Thank you so much. Good one. Yeah.
We are at Zara. I badly wanted these chunky loafers, but as always, they don't have my size. My height is short, so that's why this extra 1-inch heel is also gonna help. That will make me look taller because Pooja is gonna wear heels, right? At the wedding functions, so I also need to look taller.
The technology now, you just have to scan the QR code on your app and you have all the receipts there. Definitely recommend downloading Zara app. It comes in really handy.
I'm actually looking for some shoes that will go with my Indian wear like kurtas and other festive outfits.
I'm hungry now. You have to take a break. Chipotle, our favorite, and we're just going to share this because the portion size is pretty big. Right now, we don't want to eat anything that's super heavy. We still have to shop around. Chipotle is always the best option. Okay, one store, Saransh, just wouldn't let me go.
Because I'm gonna get bored for 2 hours. The shopping time is actually 6 hours.
That's right.
And 2 to 4 hours is only spent at one store, which is this one.
And that's why I made this as a last stop for today. Let's go to Aritzia. So Saransh is lucky. I just literally browsed in like 10 minutes. I'm not getting anything apart from socks. Their socks are really good, by the way.
So we are at Banana Republic looking for some nice t-shirts. They have one of the finest quality t-shirts. Look at this. Only for 30 bucks. It's a steal deal.
Even I got a couple because they have 40% off going on, and obviously why not take advantage of it. Really nice fabrics here.
It's going to be super hot in India, so we need some
Nice
breathable
linens.
t-shirts. Yeah. I'm almost done shopping.
There's Chick-fil-A right in front of me, and also Shake Shack opened at Yorkdale Mall.
Both of them are favorites.
And I'm standing here at Salus, I know how to
Salus.
pronounce it, Salus, having healthy wraps and sandwiches. Do you see the changes? It's not that we have stopped eating anything unhealthy from outside, but it's just small changes that we're doing. We just don't want to choose burgers and pizzas all the time. Just making that switch. It's good.
Yeah.
It's so hard to find healthy things around here, but you just gotta find your ways. Okay, so the day is complete and the shopping is complete too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, a lot of damage is done, guys. productive day for sure. And now we are here to eat something. I mean, I was talking about just being healthy and everything, but now we have Shake Shack right here. Just couldn't resist ourselves.
Guys, you should look at this. This is hilarious right now.
Where is the chicken? This is the first time I'm ordering a burger without a bun, but I wasn't expecting this much lettuce. This is too much.
I'm gonna enjoy my cheat meal.
What's the point of having a burger without a bun on the lettuce and then having cheesy fries? That's very stupid of me.
How's it?
But the chicken is so good. It's chaos. As you know, we are selling a house, and for that we have staged a house. So that also means I don't have all of my clothes upstairs because I had to lighten the weight of my closet. And since it's winter here in Canada, I packed all of my summer clothes and it's all in the basement. That's the most difficult thing, especially when we are traveling somewhere. The season is not the same. It's always a hassle. We don't have any time to waste, so I'll just start with my packing. Excited for India.
Who doesn't like to go back to India and meet the family?
We have less than 24 hours and we have not even started packing. Like, what are we doing? I hope I can fit in all of my stuff. It's summer in India, so I should be able to. I always struggle with luggage. No storage can ever be enough for me. Even if I get 50 kgs, I'll just fill the entire 50 kgs.
It seems you're so excited for India that you're taking so many clothes.
No, obviously I'm not taking this. I'm just gonna dump them.
Dump them in the box?
Okay, one thing has definitely become a standard on my channel. Whenever I'm going on a trip, before that I'm always running around to stores just grabbing stuff. And guys, it's snowing. It's April, we are officially in spring. Still, we have this weather. It sucks. And it's raining, we need umbrella. It's so difficult to hold the umbrella as well, it's so windy. Oh my god, my sambas are gone. Ew. Come.
It's crazy.
Can't wait to get out of Canada now. Glad it's summer in India.
Look at the snow, guys. Let's go.
First stop, Costco. We wanted a chicken bag and surprisingly they had one today. And this is just for $100. Just found these random flavored nuts which I might take. Honestly, we didn't buy anything much this time for family, but definitely want something for my niece. I cannot go empty-handed. She actually has a big list. Do you know her list? Like when I asked her first, she was like, I don't want anything. I just want Masi. That is so cute, right? I mean, obviously I am coming, but then I had to literally force her and then she was like, okay, if you have to get something, then slime, clay, lunchbox, Elsa's costume, Minnie Mouse, Peppa Pig, coloring books, jelly, gummy bears, snake jelly, green onion chips, heart jelly, Chupa Chups, Magic Pops, Skittles, M&M's, Star Jelly, Chocolate Jelly, Eyeball Jelly. Eyeball Jelly? Is there a thing called Eyeball Jelly?
I have no clue.
I don't know. But a lot of things I bought it from Amazon, which I'll show you when I get home, especially the costumes. But I'm at Indigo right now, just collecting some storybooks here and also some coloring books. Moana, she loves Moana. And she's a lot into Disney princess now.
We got no time to prepare dinner tonight, so we have sushi on our menu.
It's raining so much. Take umbrella.
Yeah, it's raining like cats and dogs.
Quickly.
This is the best sushi ever. इतनी बारिश तो देखी नहीं है. Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We were so hungry that we couldn't wait to get back home. And we are sitting in the car and enjoying sushi.
We have parked the car at one of the plazas in Oakville.
Just don't drop the soy sauce.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers to going to India. And we are back and look at our staged house. Packages.
It doesn't look
Coffees,
like
a lot of coffees. Since
One more.
the last few days have been crazy.
One more coffee to get through the night.
Oh wait, there's more. Don't judge me. Some things that I was trying on during the day. Okay, you're gonna be shocked looking at this floor. Clothes everywhere. A lot of clothes here. Whew. This is a lot to deal with. And tomorrow, obviously, we have to leave our house clean because after we leave, there might be people coming in for showings and everything, and we cannot have this situation. If we were not selling a house, I would have just left things as it is. I know what I need right now. Coffee. 10 o'clock in the night, and here I start my packing.
There's a lot to do.
Packing in progress. There's a huge pile of clothes that I have to sort out probably tomorrow, but I have done quite a bit. At least started with it now.
We like to keep everything for the last minute.
That's okay.
That's the style.
Just had to finish up some work, so just gonna do that. It's 1 a.m. Do you see this? And still there's a big mountain right in front of me. All the clothes that I have to sort tomorrow. I really don't have the energy to do this. I'm really sleepy now. So yeah, I will see you in the morning. Good night.